Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Monday afternoon and we are doing a workout early so we can go to Louisiana tomorrow. So we'll be leaving probably about the time we would normally lift. And what we're going to do is our leg workout. So we got the squat rack set up and the lifts we have are, obviously the main lift is squats at 4 sets of 10. Then we've got leg press at 3 sets of 12, and concurrently with leg press, we'll do calf raises. And since we already have the bar set up, we'll do them here. And then we've got leg curls and leg extensions. So we're gonna hit these leg workout hard. We've kind of been working on cleaning up the shop. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the freezer moved over here. Things are not quite like they used to be. Anyway, hopefully it works out better for me in here and organize a little bit better. But anyway, that doesn't matter. So we're gonna hit this workout, get it done, and we'll chat after workout. And obviously I already walked today, so I won't be walking again. So that's it. Let's do this. Let's hit it. All right, we got the leg workout done. I wanted to hit 225 and I was pretty close to doing it, but the 215 at the third set was just, it wore me out. Got me winded and my legs were tired. My legs were tired already from working on the concrete for probably a couple and a half hours, what we did. And it took me a while for my legs to wake up. They were pretty tired getting started on that thing. So anyway, felt good anyway, because last week I think I started 185 and just went up by 10 pounds each set, 185, 195, 205, and I think I might have done 215. This time I did 185, jumped to 205, and then did 215 twice. So definitely more volume on my workout today from a squat perspective than it was last week. So progress, any progress is good progress. So that's a good deal. Everything else was good. Leg press, calf raises, leg curls, and leg extensions, all that went really well. So anyway, gonna take it on in the house. This one will be in the books. We'll be seeing you again on Wednesday. So here we go. Gonna let you go, you guys. Get out there and get some longevity training so you can meet age with grace, folks. So you guys take care, be careful, and be safe. See ya.